Hello everybody. So I am going to be reviewing the products that I got in my Grove shipment. So I got the essential oils I purchased the essential oils. That was my $20 purchase. I bought 2 of those, the lavender and the lemon, and they worked out really well so far. No complaints about those. Really great. And then so the tote that my free stuff came in, I actually have been using it for all of my cat stuff to organize it, because it used to be in my junk drawer and now it's not. Now it's all organized. So that's what I did with that. The Mrs. Meyer's sorry, I'm thawing dinner, thawing chicken for dinner in the microwave. So the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, what scent was this? Oh, mint scent, with the matching hand soap. That's actually been at my kitchen sink and I love it. It smells so good. People compliment me about how good it smells. So yeah, love that. This Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Peony Scent Multi-Surface Cleaner. I love cleaning with this because after I clean my kitchen counters or my bathroom counter or whatever, the whole room just smells so good afterwards when you walk into it, and I just really love it. So I've already dug into my 2-pack of sponges, and I like it. It works. I still have one that I haven't used yet. So we'll save that, and can't speak. I'll save this one for when my other one gets too gross to use. And then so the other thing that I got as a bonus freebie gift, if you remember, was this glass spray bottle that you're supposed, and it came with a concentrate for glass cleaner that you squirt in here and then fill up with water. So I never used that. I actually mixed vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and water in this, and I'm using it to clean my couches with, and pet stains around my house, because I have 3 cats. So let me tell you, I need that little pet stain mixture. So yeah, that's just a really fun place to hold my sprays in, I guess. So yeah, overall, I think it was a really good purchase, and I definitely think I'm going to be purchasing from the Grove again. So yeah.